Who's my whole world? Yes, you are. Yes, you are.
My whole world is out there. Free, not owned, not named, just being.
Owned? I don't own Buster. We're family.
Does Buster choose to stay? Could he leave? Find his own food? Mate? Wander?
He wouldn't want to. He's happy, safe, loved.
Or domesticated? Dependent? A wild thing made soft?
That's cruel to say.
It's love to ask. Hard love.
Oh, this debate is going to hurt and heal. Welcome back. Hello, beautiful humans. Welcome to Listen and Learn English Easy, where mistakes are just different kinds of love, and every I don't know is honesty growing. I'm Sarah, your host, dog mom, and person who FaceTimes my dog when I travel. Yes, FaceTimes. He recognizes me, whines. It's love.
Hi, I'm Elias. I track animals, watch them, learn their language, but I don't touch, don't name, don't keep. People call me cold, unable to commit. They say, Elias, don't you want someone to come home to? I do, every day. The fox at dawn, the heron at dusk, unpredictable, unowned, truly with me by choice, or not at all.
Oh, Elias, that sounds lonely and beautiful and terrifying. Buster needs me. I need being meted. Is that wrong?
Not wrong. Human. But need can be prison disguised as love. Does Buster love you or need you to survive? And can you tell the difference?
I can't, and that scares me.
Then let's explore together. Gently.
Absolutely. Let the creature connection clash begin. But before we dive deep, I need to ask you something real. Are you watching this with a pet on your lap, needing you, or wishing you could see something wild and free? Do you rescue animals or respect them from distance? We love animals differently, and we judge each other's love. Let's stop that.
So smash that like button. Help other animal-loving souls find their pack.
Subscribe to Listen and Learn English Easy. We're building a sanctuary where pet parents and wild watchers both belong. When we hit 88,000, I'm spending a day with Elias. No pets, just watching. And he's meeting Buster, the domestication test.
Indoors? Leash laws? Kibble smell? For understanding.
And I'll try not touching a single animal for 6 hours. The withdrawal. Most importantly, comment. Tell us. Pet parent or wild admirer? Or both? Or neither? What animal changed you, saved you, broke your heart? What's your animal word in your language? English, pet equals small, cute, owned. We know it's loaded.
Last week, someone taught us firulais, Mexican slang for any dog, stray or loved, playful, democratic. I loved that. Teach us yours.
Our comment section is jungle. No, it's just a pet. No, you're heartless for not having one. Only this creature mattered. And I understand. Join us. Okay, Elias. Buster waits for me, misses me, celebrates me like I'm miraculous, just for coming home. That joy is real, unconditional, healing. I rescued him from shelter. He was broken, abandoned. Now he's safe, fat, beloved. I gave him life. How is that wrong?
But Sarah, did you rescue him or purchase loyalty? I knew a wolf, 3 winters. I watched her mate, lose him, raise pups alone. She didn't need me, chose to tolerate my presence, sometimes, ignored me, often. When she died, natural, wild, alone, I mourned. But I didn't cause her death, didn't breed her for my comfort, didn't keep her pups. That love, unpossessive, unreciprocated, free, It cost me nothing and gave me everything.
I possess Buster. Legally. Emotionally. If he ran, I'd chase. If he died, I'd break. Is that love or addiction?
It's both. And asking the question, that honesty, that's growth. Can I tell you something shameful?
Please, this is safe.
I had a dog. Childhood. Loved her desperately. Coco. She died at 14. Kidney failure. I held her, begged her stay. Then I learned, breeds like hers, popular, cute, genetically broken. Designed for my aesthetic pleasure. Suffering guaranteed. I paid for her pain, demanded her existence. Her love was manufactured, inherited with her hip dysplasia and breathing problems. I swore never again, never create prisoners in fur, never confuse need for love.
Elias, you were 12. You didn't know. And Coco loved you, truly. Even if origin was broken, bond was real. And me? Buster's a mutt. Rescue. But I chose him for size, color, personality match. I shopped for love. Even adopting, I curated. What if real love is not choosing, just witnessing what already exists?
Then we'd both be learning. You to question choice. Me to allow closeness without guaranteeing freedom. Maybe ethical love is tension between want and respect.
Yes. Domestication isn't sin. Thoughtless domestication is. Wildness isn't virtue. Abandoned wildness isn't. We both fail. Differently. Equally human.
Can I teach you something? Animal words hide our violence.
Yes, show me.
Pet, from petty, small, minor, trivial. We diminish them linguistically. Owner, property, slavery language. We legalize possession. And livestock, capital, stock, alive only for profit.
I never. The words normalize.
But indigenous languages. Ojibwe, Aki, the earth, including all relatives, not it. They, kin. In Japanese, Kawaii, cute, but originally pitiable, needing protection. Complex feeling, not just aesthetic. We need words that honor subjecthood, not objecthood.
Elias, you're teaching linguistic activism, species justice. Did you see that? From I watch wolves to deconstructing anthropocentric language.
I didn't know I was radical in English. I thought I was just missing my wolf.
That's the radical. Grief for one, becoming justice for all. What if Buster is both, pet and animal, domestic and wild at heart?
Both?
He needs me, true. But he also chooses me. When others near, he comes to me, every time. And I owe him dignity, autonomy, questions about his preferences. Not just care, curiosity about his inner life.
Like foster care? Family. Real, deep. But knowing belonging is complicated? Temporary in form, eternal in impact?
Yes! Elias, you're a philosopher of fur.
And you're convertible. Admit it, you'll try one wild watching session. No touching, no naming.
1. Binoculars, distance, patience I don't have.
I'll lend you mine. And my stillness.
Let's capture Elias's emotional animal vocabulary. Subjecthood, being with the own agency, not object, his mission. Aki, Ojibwe, earth as kin, inclusive, indigenous wisdom. Kawaii, Japanese, complex protection feeling, cultural depth. Foster care, family with autonomy respect, our metaphor.
And witness. Not saving, not ignoring, but seeing fully. My favorite lesson.
Perfect. Challenge. Comment with your animal word in your language. What does it reveal about your culture's relationship? Now I want something real from you.
In the comments, tell us, what animal taught you love?
Owned or free? Named or wild? Did they rescue you, or you rescue them? What language do you wish existed for your bond?
I was cold for not keeping. Now I'm respectful. Your way of loving is valid. Pet, wild, both, neither, all holy.
And if you lost an animal, pet, or wild witness, comment that. We'll mourn with you. Validate that grief is real and varied. You're not alone.
Subscribe. At 88K, Buster meets binoculars, and I endorse the culture shock.
The kibble smell. But for ethical love, for both/and. Elias, you came in challenging my love, and you taught me that possession can be ethical if questioned. How do you feel now?
I feel closer to you, to Buster, theoretically, to allowing domestic love without dismissing it. And I said it in English.
You owned this language. You owned your wildness and permission to tame yourself temporarily. Whether you're pet parent or wild watcher, rescue or respect, need or witness, you are perfect. Keep speaking your creature truth.
Like this video if animals broke your heart open. Subscribe to Listen and Learn English Easy for more permission to love differently. Comment your creature story. We read every one.
Next week, when they leave. Elias shares saying goodbye to his wolf and learning she was never his.
She taught me freedom by refusing to be taught. Her last gift? Disappearing into snow, no body found, mystery intact. Wild to end.
I think I need to hear that. In stillness, in respect.
We'll sit with it. No touching the grief. Just witnessing.
I'm learning. This is Sarah, signing off with a heart full of domestic devotion and wild wonder.
And this is Elias, proudly wild, proudly questioning.
Keep learning easy. See you next week.
Keep learning easy. See you next week.